திருவழுதி நாடென்றும் தென்குருகூர் என்றும் மறுவினைய வன்பெருநல் என்றும் அருமறைகள் அந்தாதி செய்தான் அடியினையே எப்பொழுதும் சிந்தியாய் நெஞ்சே தெளிந்து.
Sounds sweet. What are you reading, Ma?
This is a Taniyan for Thiruvaimozhi composed by Ishwara Muni. I am recalling some very interesting facts about Ramayanam that is being told by my Acharyan Sri A.P.N. Swami during my Bhagavat Vishayam Kalakshepam. Okay, now, can you tell me who is the Veda Swarupan?
What a great theme. It's Rama.
Exactly. Vedam is in Sanskrit or Tamil, Prahalad?
Vedam is in Sanskrit. I see Appa and Tata chanting it every day.
That's right, Prahalad. But you should understand, Vedam in Tamil is called as Thiruvaimozhi.
That's so fascinating, Ma. Why are you saying this, Ma?
That's because today I learned the Thiruvaimozhi Pasuram and the meaning to it was taught to me by my Acharyan Sri A.P.N. Swami using Veda Swarupan's story Sri Ramayanam. Do you want to hear what Pasuram it is? ஒழிவில் காலமெல்லாம் உடனாய் மன்னி வழிவிலா அடிமை செய்ய வேண்டும் நாம் தெழிகுரல் அருவி திருவேங்கடத்து எழில்கொள் சோதி எந்தை தந்தை தந்தைக்கே. This Pasuram explains Nammalwar's wish to do Kainkaryam to Perumal without a gap. Whenever we talk about Kainkaryam, what comes to our mind is Lakshmana's Kainkaryam to Rama and Sita. So this is where my Acharyan Sri A.P.N. Swami mentioned some very interesting facts about Ramayanam, which we will wait to watch in part 2.